one in the form of a daily pill. Dr. Mark Siegel is here with this, and I think a lot of people have been wondering when this was coming. There's been a shot for a while, a daily pill. Benefits, the risks. How do you weigh?
Well, first of all, I think it's going to happen, Dana, by 2026. It looks very promising. These are late-stage trials.